I was wondering if someone sends a quantity, so in the adjacent payload that's sent to TradesPost, if someone sends a quantity to exit a position, and
Mhm.
that quantity is greater than the size of the position, will it enter a short? Will it flatten the position, or will the trade get rejected?
Uh, there's a few different scenarios here that can play out. If you're sending action equals exit, it doesn't matter what you send as your quantity. We're going to ignore that and flatten your open position. So if I have an open position in Microsoft for 5 shares and I send an action equals exit in a quantity of 10, it's still just going to sell 5 shares and flatten my position because action exit literally just means I want to exit my open position, whatever direction it's currently in. If you are if you have a trading strategy that's allowing both sides, however, and you send a sell signal and you have an open long of 5 shares of Microsoft and you send a sell of 10 shares and you're able to short Microsoft in your account, then yeah, we're going to reverse that position and you'll be negative 5 shares instead of 5 shares long. So it really kind of depends on the trading strategy settings and what you've allowed to happen in your account. For scenarios like this, though, where you're sending payloads and you're not quite sure how it's going to play out, feel free to reach out to us and support. We can look at your trading strategy settings and like walk through the different scenarios that can play out.
So even if someone uses use signal quantity, if they send action exit, it'll ignore that quantity.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay,
And that's because the action itself supersedes some of these other parameters. The action is the first sort of rule that we follow that follows the flow chart of actions that take place afterwards.
understood. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.